So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And now once you're on this, you want to select obtain an IP address automatically, and under it you want to select obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So you want to keep this on the default options and then click on OK. For the next step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter again. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.